Hi, this is Amber with Phillips of Chevrolet, and today I'm going to show you how to use the backup camera, the backup sensors, and the new 360 Eagle View on the 2018 Traverses. So what I've got right now is a garage door open. I want to actually physically demonstrate how this works. You'll actually see a pop-up on your screen that shows you not only where you're going to be backing up into with a sensor that indicates when you're too close to something, but also a full 360 so we can see how close we are to both mirrors. As you start to back up, you will be able to see any of the pillars and objects behind you. And as you get closer to the object, such as your garage door wall, it will start beeping to inform you how close you are. The slower the beeps, the further you are from it. The closer the beeps, the closer you are to the object, keeping you from having to hit anything around you. Also fantastic for those tight squeezes in those car garages in Chicago. Want to come see one? Test drive it? Come down and see me here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort.